Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating the Gem virtual machine programming language. When I designed this, I kept in mind the fact that I wanted to make a small, simple programming language that works with the Sapphire Mini desktop, which I also made a video of, so you guys can go check it out. It's meant to be a standalone program and also a plugin for the Sapphire Mini desktop to add versatility to the Sapphire Mini desktop for developers. And currently there's not much to it, but it's also very useful now that you can make scripts for the Sapphire Mini desktop. If I were to go to my website, there's also a documentation page for the Gem virtual machine showing simple examples and current functions in the version. So here is the test.gem. I'm going to be showing you guys a simple hello world program. So in the first, this is declaring a function when you place a semicolon there, and you need a main function, which could be a capitalized M or a lowercase m, but you need a main function because that's where the program will always start. So it's a medium level programming language because it has some high level programming language parts in it and some low leveled. So what you can do is there's the stack, which there's two levels in it. So you can declare a comment by doing this. So stack level 1, which is signified by 0 in programming, and stack level 2, which is signified by 1 because computers start counting by zeros. So currently there's nothing. If we push something like a hello world, it pushes it to the second stack actually. So now stack 1 contains the string hello world, and when you push, it pushes up. So if you were to push something else, like push hello, it pushes this to stack 0 and puts hello here. Now we're not going to do that, but printing the line stack, it will print out on a new line the newest item in the stack, which is actually going to be on the bottom of the stack. So this should be a simple hello world program. As you can see, there's no errors in that. There's also a lot more to this programming language than it seems. Currently you can also have multiple functions. So I'm going to make a second function called second func, and the end token right here is optional, you don't need it, but exit makes the program exit, so once it reaches to the end, it will exit the program. So we can call the second function. You can also put semicolons if you want, that's optional, you don't really need it, and it will call the second function, which will push the string hello world, and then it will go back and then print line stack. This is also a hello world program, just a little bit more complicated. There's also, you can also use math in this, so let's clear out the program again. So again, I'm going to simplify this, so stack 1 and stack 2, and these stacks are currently empty. So by putting push 10, it's setting this one to 10. Now again, pushing 2, it will set this to 2 and push 10 up. And because of this, when you use a keyword, say divide, in the middle of the stack it will divide. So orders of operation works. You don't have to type things in backwards just because of that. So now that is there, you can print stack, and it should say 5 like it does. And like I said, semicolons don't matter. It still says 5. So for you guys that are like C programmers, Java programmers, or even Lua, sometimes they use semicolons. So for that, if you guys forget to put semicolon, it doesn't matter. You don't even have to put it. But if you're a Java programmer, or C# programmer, or C++, then and you accidentally put a semicolon because that's what you're used to, it won't break the program. So that's pretty much it. You can even get user input, which will set it to the stack again. So that's pretty much it. There is going to be a lot more added onto this later, but I just wanted to get this done so that you can add a functionality to the Sapphire Mini desktop to be a programmer, developer for it. Later on, I could be adding graphical user interface and all that other stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys are interested, the download's in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.